what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'm bringing you guys another car show video today. This is going to be a bit different because it is hosted by the police department, so we shouldn't have any problems at all, but they are requiring for us to take in a bag of candy. This will play in effect at the end of the month because they're going to host an event like a Halloween drive-thru, which with this candy they're going to go ahead and give them out to the community. But I need to stop by the store, pick up the candy first, pick them up for my friend because he doesn't have time to pick it up, and we're actually going to get something to eat because the wifey's hungry. So happy wife, happy life. All right guys, we got the whole crew. We got Chris, Peter, Martin. That's Martin for you guys. And Art got a motorcycle. He left his boss through too. He swapped out his whole style and everything, man.
Fucking pussy. Arigato.
Look at that. What's this? He drives a Dodge and has Coyote on it.
Oh, right there, bro, Coyote.
I'll eat it over there. Alright guys, we already met up with everybody else. We're about 6 cars gonna head that way. This chick is eating in the car, guys. That's like, tell your wives, or if you guys eat in your car, it's like a big no-no for you guys to do, especially when you just detailed the car, you did your interior. I just put a brand new air freshener, cherry air freshener, so by 6 cents, guys. If you haven't checked them out, go ahead. I got a discount code, Albert S197, get 10% off. She's eating the car. Never do it. Why? Because it'll stink up the car. There'll be crumbs all over, but she doesn't care. She's like, whatever. Guys, please never be that dude right there. Never be that guy. We literally said we were meeting at 5:30. We were taking off at 6:05, and then we're actually taking a cruise, and he takes another route, and we follow him, and he said he had to put gas. Never be that guy. Alright guys, we just got here. We got the goods with the homies. So right now I'm gonna go drop this off to the donation spot, and we're just gonna go around and see what's up. Got a wrap Mustang off the bat, 2 wrap Mustangs, 3. This is pretty clean, man. I wasn't too sure about the color combo, but freaking nice.
Oh, it's over there.
It's over there? Take your pick, Martin. What you want? Got all the...
You guys are all shit. Oh.
All right, we got all the vets taking up all this side of the lot. Soupy Classics.
All the vets and that. No, not that one.
Back here?
Thank you. Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Thank you.
What's going on?
What's up, man? Oh,
we just found out that there's cars over here.
I didn't even know there was cars over there. I thought this was it.
Cars over there? Yeah, there's more cars over there.
Oh, I thought this was it.
Oh, I'm over there. Henry.
Let's go. Hey, man, Henry. How's it going, man? How's it going, man?
What's up, guys?
Man, just the color just makes a huge difference, man. That color makes the whole car pop. That hood is just dang A1 sauce, man. I think Ford really outdid this since this time. Oh, we got the homie. Ah! I don't know what I'm doing.
Get ready, because Fernando's about to spray. I'm telling you right now, I know that's what he's going to do.
What's going on here? All right. Mike's 2014. Got George's S550. Remember, man, go follow him. Havoc S550 on YouTube. You got Dodge taking over like always. Man, how sweet is one of these guys? Imagine. Freaking thing looks like Batmobile. Dang. What is it, a 720S? I don't know, guys. I don't know my exotics too much, but correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's a 720S. Got this side as well, Corvettes. Guys, I didn't even know, I thought this was like the whole show. We went on that side because we didn't know that was part of the car show as well. So I know I was showing you guys a while ago the Corvettes over there, but there's the other side. Alright, a lot of these cars you see here today is, if you haven't seen my last video, they were all pretty much there. Some new cars obviously, but a lot of these cars were at the last show. A few more Stangs over there pulling up. A few more Cuz in the house. Alright. I know one of you guys mentioned it last time that the Texas car scene is pretty fire. I don't know if it's because the whole COVID thing has everybody coming out after a while, or because the car scene is actually getting pretty good here, man. I hope it's just getting good here, because we do need this, man. There's a line of cars coming in. Look at that. Hey, we got the homie Barney pulling. Oh, I had no idea this guy was coming. What's up, man?
What's up? Where you guys parked?
We're gonna move all the way to the other side. We're right here, but we're gonna move that way. I give it maybe another 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna have all this packed right here, man. Cars just keep coming in. All right, we got the whole Pontiac crew right here. Guys, honestly, let me know what y'all think about these car show videos, man. If you guys like them, I'll keep doing them. If not, I'll probably hold on to maybe once or twice a month, but let me know, guys. Dang, man. Guys, this thing is packed up the butt, man. There's no more parking spots. There's way too many cars. So the turnout was better than expected, actually. So, I mean, it was for the community anyway. Oh, shoot. What in the world, man? I want to know how this car can take all those hits, but I hit one pothole, one dip, and my rim's bent. How? Ooh, I was so close. That would have been good content for you guys, man. Y'all would have loved that, wouldn't you? So close, guys. Not today. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. We're gonna go home. I have the baby at home, daddy duties to take care of. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Again, if you guys do like these car show videos, let me know. I'll keep making them for you guys. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, guys. God bless.